Because again, in a biological perspective, women are the choosers and men are the pursuer. Ibig sabihin, mas mahigpit sila sa pagpili ng lalaki kasi nga, biologically speaking, their life is more at risk kapag pumasok sila sa isang relationship because of pregnancy. Kaya sila mapili. That's why sobrang dami na ng filters when it comes to choosing a man. Because they want to see who's the best mate for them who can provide, protect, and perform. So, knowing this one, women will test us sa ayaw man natin o hindi. And hindi mo na mababago yon. That's how they are programmed. So, instead of trying to fight their nature and blaming them for being a woman, mas mabuting gawin natin is let's just play the game. So parang chess lang to, matihan. Biology are the rules, yung natural programming nila. So, kung tinetest ka ng babae, don't take it as a rejection, but use it as an opportunity para i-showcase yung masculinity mo, yung mga smooth moves mo bilang lalaki. Because every girl, kahit gaano pa kataas yung standards niyan, is simply looking for one thing. A man who is sure and confident about himself. Hindi yung nagbabago ng personality just to impress. Hindi yung binabago yung mood niya para lang mapansin. But a man who stands strong, leads the moment, and owns who he is.